In this video we're going to focus on the E1 error code of a washing machine. Cause of E1 error code is a clean filter alarm. The reasons for the problem are 1. The filter is blocked. 2. There is no water supply. To start with the troubleshooting, we must turn off the unit first. Now, let us check our water supply by loosening the water hose connector to see if water is present in the supply line. If water is present, then the problem is now the screen filter. Unscrew the water connector and pull out the screen filter by using just the finger or pliers if screen is hard to pull out. Check the screen filter for any damage just to make sure that foreign object cannot pass through it. Now, clean the filter with watering brush, removing all the dirt and slime accumulate in the screen. After cleaning the filter, return filter and screw the water connector back to inlet connector of the washing machine. After water supply connection is back, open the valve and switch on the washing machine. If the display on the LCD is now normal, then your washing machine is now ready to do its job. And your troubleshooting is a success. Thank you for watching. Hope this video is of some help to you. Watch out for my coming videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Good day everyone.